plus 0x9e7e/0x9.9e7eabe in Resident Evil Requiem. This is usually caused by corrupted GPU drivers, DX12 issue, VRAM overload, broken game files, overlay conflicts. Here is the complete working fix, step by step. Fix 1. Clean install GPU drivers, most important. Corrupted drivers cause this exact error. NVIDIA 1. Download latest driver from official site. 2. During install, choose custom. 3. Tick perform clean installation. AMD 1. Download latest driver. Select factory reset during install. Restart PC after install. Fix 2. Verify game files. Steam. 1. Open Steam. 2. Right-click Resident Evil Requiem. 3. Properties installed files. 4. Click Verify integrity of game files. Corrupted files equals instant crash. Fix 3. Disable overlays. Very important. Turn off Steam overlay, Discord overlay, GeForce Experience overlay, MSI Afterburner, RTSS overlay. Conflicts often trigger unhandled exception. Fix 4. Force dedicated GPU laptop users. If you have Intel plus NVIDIA, 1. Right-click Desktop, NVIDIA Control Panel. 2. Manage 3D settings, Program settings. 3. Add re9.exe. 4. Select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. AMD users, Radeon settings, switchable graphics, high performance. Fix 5. Increase virtual memory. 1. WinR sysdm.cpl. 2. Advanced performance settings. 3. Advanced virtual memory change. 4. Set custom size, minimum 8,000, maximum 16,000. Restart PC. Fix 6. Install Visual C++ and DirectX reinstall. Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022, x64 plus x86. DirectX runtime missing runtimes equals crash at launch. Fix 7. Add launch options. Steam. Steam, Game, Properties, Launch Options. You can see the code in our conversation history. If still crashing, try. You can see the code in our conversation history. Fix 8. Delete shader cache. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Delete shader cache folder, config file. If corrupted, game will rebuild files automatically. If it still crashes, tell me your GPU model, VRAM amount, Windows version, laptop or desktop. I'll give you a targeted fix for your system.